Hi, I'm Clive Mattimo. I'm the General Manager at RRG Toyota Huddersfield, one of the sponsors of the Yorkshire Motorsport Festival 2022. The event takes place on the 24th of June through to the 26th. As usual, RRG Toyota Huddersfield will have pride of place with one of the main stands on the event. We're really pleased to be here again this year. We feel that being part of the show is our opportunity to get out in the community and demonstrate to all the people in Yorkshire just how hard Toyota are working towards the Beyond Zero concept. This year we're going to have lots of new product, and in addition to some of the fabulous new cars that we're going to have on show, we're also working with our local charity, the Forget Me Not Children's Hospice. And on the day, or on the 3 days that we're there, we're going to have one of the retro Sega Rally Championship machines for you all to come and have a go on. It's free to have a go, but our charity partners are going to be asking you for a donation to take part in that. So there'll be a leaderboard and there'll be a prize every day for those people who are able to do that. It's really important for Huddersfield and for our sister branches in Bradford and Silsden to really sort of speak to our community and make sure that we know that we are reaching the areas that ordinarily we can't reach when we're just sat back in the dealership. So please feel free, come on down, see us at the show, and make sure that you visit the Toyota stand. It's going to be the best there. Thanks.